Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are bought and sold. Imagine you're traveling from the USA to Europe for a vacation. Go to a currency exchange and trade $100 for euros at an exchange rate of $1 equals 90 cents, so you receive 90 euros. While you're in Europe, the exchange rate changes to $1 equals 85 cents. If you decide to exchange your 90 euro back to dollars, you'd only get $94.50 instead of your original $100, meaning you lost money due to exchange rate fluctuations. In Forex trading, people buy and sell currencies like this, but on a much larger scale, aiming to profit from these price changes by buying currencies when they are cheap and selling when they become more expensive.